In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Obsidian without internet, turning it into a fully functional offline knowledge management system. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first thing you need to understand is that Obsidian is designed as an offline-first app. Your entire vault is saved as local files on your device, which means your notes, folders, and attachments do not require any internet access. Core features work completely offline by default. So to begin, simply launch Obsidian and select your vault from your local storage. Everything loads directly from your device, not from any cloud. Once you're in, you can work with notes exactly as you normally would. Create new notes, edit existing ones, link notes using those double bracket wiki links, add tags, tables, formatting, and even move and rename files. All of this happens instantly without a connection. Core plugins like Daily Notes, templates, backlinks, Graph View, File Explorer, and Search all work offline too. If you want to stay completely disconnected, head to Settings and then Community Plugins and disable any that might fetch online data, like sync tools or AI features. If you're not using Obsidian Sync, go to Settings and then Sync to ensure it's disabled or not configured. This prevents any background network usage. Any attachments you've already added, like images, PDFs, audio, or video, will still open because they are stored locally. Templates and daily notes generate locally as well. Search works instantly across your local files, and Graph View visualizes your entire local note network. If you need community plugins, install them while you're online first. They will continue working offline unless they specifically require external data. Just be aware that some features truly need internet, like sync services, web-based plugins, or external API integrations. To test everything, turn on airplane mode, open Obsidian, and confirm everything still works normally. Keep your vault stored in a local folder on your documents or desktop, or even on an external drive. For backups, simply copy your vault to a USB drive or external hard drive manually. No internet needed. On mobile, open the Obsidian app and download or create your vault locally. It works the same offline as on desktop. If you ever reconnect, you can use sync tools manually or rely on Obsidian Sync if you have it enabled. For efficiency, organize your vault with clear folders like Notes, Projects, and Attachments, which makes offline navigation much faster. Keep your plugins lightweight, as too many can slow down offline performance. Understand that offline mode means no web search inside Obsidian, no cloud-based automation, and no real-time online integrations. But the final result is that Obsidian becomes a fully functional offline knowledge system, where you can write, organize, link, and manage everything without any internet at all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.